Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you the simplification of algebraic fractions. I have prepared these two examples to use them to explain the steps to you. Should you have any questions after watching the video, please endeavor to write me in the comments box, and then I'm going to reply to any of your questions. So let's begin with the first example. The first example says simplify 2 over x minus 1 minus 3 over x minus 2. So the first thing to do is to consider the denominators. Denominators here is x minus 1 and the second one is x minus 2. And then we are going to use these two denominators as our LCM. So LCM is this. So they are going to multiply each other like this. And then this. Close the brackets, and then the next thing to do is to draw a long division sign or a long division line like this. And then we look at the numerator. The numerator here is 2 and the denominator here is 3. So what we are going to do is that we are doing what we call cross multiply or cross multiplication like this. So cross multiply. And this multiplies this, and then this will also multiplies this. Okay, so it's going to be written as this 2 brackets x minus 2 in the brackets, and then we have our negative sign. 3, we multiply this, 3 brackets x minus 1, and then we'll close the bracket. Do not forget, this is our LCM, so we write it here. X minus 1 in brackets, and then we have x minus 2 in bracket. The next thing is to open this bracket to expand. Then we still need our division sign. So we draw another one. So here we have, so do not forget the denominators. So we write down the denominators here. That is the LCM. And then we expand. 2 times x here, we should have 2x, and then 2 times this, we should have minus 4. And then here we have minus 3 times x, we should have minus 3x, and then minus 3 times 1, we should have plus 3 here. You can see, okay? Then we can now rearrange this value. These values, we arrange them to get the actual value. So we have 2x, this is minus 3x, and then we have minus 4, and then plus 3. Do not forget these denominators or the LCM, we'll write them here again, okay, and then 2x minus 3x is minus 1x, and then here we should have minus 1 as well. So we write down this, and then this as well too. So this can be written as this minus in the brackets x plus 1, that is multiplying through by minus 1. We have this value, and then do not forget your denominator. This, and this is how to solve this type of problem. So we are done with this. Let's take the second example. Simplify x over 3y minus x minus y over 3x plus 1. So the same method will be used. So the first thing to do is to look at these denominators, and then we are going to use them as our LCM. So, which means this is going to be 3y minus x in bracket times this 3x. They are the denominators. And then the next step is to multiply this by this, and this will also multiply this. So let's draw our division sign again. This is our division sign. Yeah. Okay. So here we have the LCM. We are going to write it under. This is the LCM, 3y minus x, and then 3x here. So this will multiply this, so that is x brackets 3x, and then this will multiply these two. So, but don't forget this sign, it is negative sign, y brackets 3y minus x brackets, and then this is 1 plus 1, we write it here. This plus 1 will multiply all the LCM, everything here, everything. So we will write it as this, 3y minus x brackets close, and then this multiply. See? Okay, now we need to open the brackets, so let's keep our sign. Division line should be written as well. So this is our division line. So do not forget the LCM. We write it under 3x, and then x times 3x, we should have 3x squared here, minus y times 3y, we should have minus 3y squared, and then here minus y times minus x, we should have plus xy, and here this is my plus 1 times everything, and we will have the same thing, but we need to open the bracket. 3x times 3y, we should have 9xy, and then 3x times minus x, we should have minus 3x here. And we need our division sign again. We'll quickly draw it, yes, we quickly draw it again. So let's not forget our LCM, 3y in brackets minus x close, and then times this. Okay, so when we rearrange 3x, this is 3x and this is minus 3x, so we have something like this, 3x squared rather, and then we have minus 3y squared plus xy plus 9xy, so we should have plus 10xy. Yes, so this we take away this, that is 3x squared minus 3xy is 0, so we are left with this now. So let's quickly write the value down. So we have this here, our division line. This is minus 3y squared plus 10xy. Then let's not forget our value, that is the LCM, this value 3x, and then we write it down here. You can see what we've gotten now. So this looks like the final answer, but we can still rearrange this. So this can be written as this. So this is going to be written as 10. Since we have plus 10 here, so plus 10xy minus 3x squared. Yes, when you rearrange, and then the LCM should be written down as usual. So we can see. So if you look at this answer, we can write this answer as this, because we have y here, we have y here. So let's take the factor. The common factor here is y. So we are going to have 10x here minus just 3y over the LCM. This, and then this, that's all. This is the denominator. So this is the solution to this problem. So this is how to simplify algebraic fractions. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment box, and I'm going to reply to any of your questions. Please do remember to share this video, like it, and if you're not following my page, please endeavor to follow for more updates. Goodbye.